No fancy skills needed. Let me show you how to make delicious dumplings the easy way.
Let's get started. Add the minced chicken to a mixing bowl. Then add oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornflour. Then add 1 egg, followed by the diced carrots, chopped white cabbage, and spring onions. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are evenly combined. Now scoop out the mixture using a spoon, or use your hands to gently shape it into small, round dumplings. Then carefully place them onto the pan. Place the pan on the stove and lightly grease it with a little oil. Now cover each dumpling with a wonton wrapper, just like tucking it in with a little blanket. Turn on the stove and cook over medium heat. Pan fry for about 1 minute until the bottom is lightly golden. Now add a little water to the pan. Cover it with a lid and steam for about 5 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked. Remove the lid and let the dumplings cook uncovered until the bottoms are golden brown and crispy. Now top the dumplings with a drizzle of soy sauce, some freshly chopped spring onions, and a little chili oil for that extra kick. These dumplings are crispy and golden on the bottom, while the inside is juicy, tender, and packed with flavor. The chicken is savory and delicious, with a little sweetness from the sauces, fresh crunch from the vegetables, and a spicy kick from the chili oil. Absolutely irresistible. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!